friends, I'm Melanie from melaniecooks.com, and today I'll be making toaster donuts in the air fryer. So these are frozen toaster donuts, no need to defrost. We're cooking them straight from frozen. Super easy, all you need to do is open up the package. And let's put as many donuts as you want in the air fryer in a single layer. They don't really look like donuts, but that's the name, toaster donuts. And now let's put them in the air fryer. And let's set the temperature to 370 degrees Fahrenheit. And let's set the time to 5 minutes. Now the air fryer is done cooking, so let's take a look. Look at these donut pastries. They look amazing. So nicely browned and perfectly cooked. Nice and crispy in the air fryer. Looks so good. So let's take them out of the air fryer. Perfect. Looks so good. Now they also come with a frosting. So let me just show you. Super easy. All you do is just squeeze the frosting on top. Perfect. Looks so good. It was super easy to make. So when you have air fryer, you don't need a toaster to make the toaster pastries. You can make them in the air fryer. Looks so good. I'm so excited about trying it. Let's try it. Tastes so delicious. They're so crispy on the outside and tender on the inside. So they're called toaster donuts because it does kind of taste like donut dough inside. So they're just donuts in a different shape that you can put in a toaster. But with the air fryer, who needs a toaster? You will love them. For a free printable recipe and other easy recipes, please visit my website, melaniecooks.com. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!